Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome all of you. I hope everyone is good. Okay. And so today what we are going to do, today I'm going to show you the Coding Cards online summer camp. So that is our own platform, Coding Cards. And we are launching summer camp here. And this summer camp is for grade 5 to 12. Okay. Grade 5 to 12. And every detail is mentioned under this form. I will give you the link of this form in the description. Okay, so you can check it out. And what you need to do, you need to just fill this form, and the team will call you back. Okay. So now, what is this summer camp? This summer camp is divided in two groups. The first one is the coding for teens, where we are providing a Python programming and web development. The price is also mentioned here. And the second one is grade 5 to 8, that is coding for kids. And here the price is also mentioned. Coding for kids, that is totally like the game development and the app development. Okay, everything is mentioned here. You need to just fill the form, and after that you can start the classes. When the summer camp is going to be started, the date is also mentioned here, 14 March 2022 and 30th June 2022. So if you are enrolling this today, so you will get 20% off. Okay, 20% off. It is already mentioned here. Offer valid till 1st March 2022. So enroll quickly and you will get 20% off. Okay. Now, how it is going to work? Each course is having 12 sessions. Okay, when you are clicking on the submit button, the counselor will contact you, and the classes will be 1 hour duration, and the classes will be 3 days in a week. Days can be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Any time you can choose between 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. and you can enjoy your sessions. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it. Otherwise, if you don't like it, you can leave it, and subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.